Should I study grammar or not?
When we are studying to speak English, we face these types of question. I am bad at grammar. If I bad at grammar, how can I speak English fluently? This is the valid question. According to the grammatical rules, I am also delivering my speech in front of you. So this question is correct. But on point of my view, grammatical rules are not necessary when we are studying to practice speaking English, because when we are practicing, we explore different types of videos, different types of English movie. By according to this movie, we grab the grammatical rules and we try to implement these rules when we are speaking. But here is a big mistake and here is a big scam. When we are a student of class 5 or class 6 levels, we have to learn about the grammatical rules. Otherwise, if we don't know the grammatical rules, we cannot good at in our academic exams. That's why it was the necessary part for our academic life. That's why we always try to implement these rules in our speaking part. That's why we make mistakes and we spend huge time to learn about the grammatical rules. So I request those people who are studying to speak English, don't follow the grammatical rules. You should speak loudly, you should speak confidently, otherwise you cannot capable to speak English in front of the common people, in front of the mass people. I have another request to those people who are studying to speak English or who want to speak English fluently. Please be practice regularly. You can practice with your family members, you can also practice with your friend, and you can take the chance to practice with the ChatGPT, because you have already explored the feature of ChatGPT. You can turn the great speaking partner as a ChatGPT. ChatGPT helps you to improve your English level. So don't follow the grammatical rules, just practice and practice.